for me, especially for party also.
Yeah, big.
Then only we will come and do this, the tour that is inside here.
This year's overall result has been on everybody's mouth and lips on all the competition trucks. Next year, the Rugby Similar State has confirmed that they will host the RainForest Challenge 2015 again. Next year, we will get additional teams from Brazil, from Lebanon, from US and Australia, which didn't come this year.
300 participants from 35 countries in this event, and they are comprising of the teams and touring and also officials and media.
This is the world class, it's real world class, it's all the off-road people come to hear competition.
In RainForest Challenge.
Да, суд. I suit Евгений.
Two. You? Three.
This event is very fantastic and then the advantage.
Then I think for the obstacle, I think it's Terminator. The Terminator is more calm. It's more calm, I think, and then he said also, you try your best, plan to the second round.
Thank you. Please be seated.